Going on, guys? So I'm back for another quick video. Today we're going to be tinting the reverse light. So I already installed LED bulbs in there. Have another video up about that, so that they're going to be bright enough to get through the film. So I ordered these pre-cut lenses here right off of eBay. I think they were about $11 or so. All you're going to need, just like when we did the rear reflectors, felt squeegee, film, microfiber, and a bottle of water. So let's get started. Get a quick comparison. Definitely looks good. Has a nice sleek appearance to it. Once the windows are tinted, I think it'll all bring it together.